Here are the top 10 richest tribes in Nigeria in 2024. There are 3 major tribes in Nigeria, namely the Hausas, the Igbos, and the Yorubas, but a total of 371 tribes in general, each with their unique cultures and tradition. Some of these tribes have been able to leverage on their natural resources, business mindset, and cultural heritage to build a massive wealth and prosperity. Nigeria is home to successful billionaires, businessmen, and philanthropists. Each are from different tribes in Nigeria and has made significant contribution to the growth and prosperity of their respective tribes. So today we'll be revealing the top 10 richest tribes in Nigeria in 2024. If you are new to this channel, do well to subscribe and click on the notification bell icon so you can be notified whenever we drop new videos. And remember, we only drop interesting, educating, and exciting content. Welcome to Chizi Media. The Ibibio tribe is one of the oldest tribes in Nigeria, commonly found in the southern part of Nigeria in states like Akwa Ibom, Benue, and Cross River State, speaking the Efik Ibibio language. It is said that they are related to the Efik people. During the colonial era, the Ibibio Union requested to be recognized as a sovereign nation. The Ibibios are one of the richest tribes in Nigeria, and they have prominent businessmen, politicians, actors who hail from there. The Ibibio tribe are doing well economically, culturally, and otherwise, producing notable individuals such as Hogan Bassi, former Akwa Ibom State Governor Godswill Akpabio, and also the Senate President of Nigeria currently, Nollywood actor and actress Iniedo, Bishop Eme, and many more. The Kanuri tribe make up 4% of the Nigerian population. They are one of the richest tribes in Nigeria, normally found in the northern part of Nigeria in states like Borno, Niger State, Yobe State, and they are mostly Islam. They can also be found in some African countries such as Southern Sudan, Libya, and Cameroon. The Kanuri tribe is regarded as one of the richest tribes in Nigeria and have some prominent men in the society such as Ibrahim Abacha, Yahya Adamu, and also the former chief of army staff of the Federal Republic of Nigeria, Tuku Burutai. The Tiv tribe is a unique tribe in Nigeria with distinctive cultural values, beliefs, practices, and language. The Tiv tribe could be found in states like Benue, Taraba, Plateau, Nasarawa, and Cross River State. The Tiv people are regarded as one of the strongest and the most hardworking people in Nigeria due to their specialists in subsistence farming and agriculture, which generate lots of revenue for them and also for the country. They also have successful businessmen and celebrities such as Two-Face Idibia, late Ada Ime, Moses Adausu, and many more. Next on the list today is the Ijaw tribe. They make up 10% of the Nigerian population. The Ijaw people is one of the largest minority tribe in Nigeria. They are mostly located in the Niger Delta area with significant population in Bayelsa State, Delta State, and River State. History remembers the Ijaw people as the first to come in contact with the Westerners when they first arrived in Nigeria. They specialize in fishing, oil trade, exploration, and generation of income through oil, which is abundant in this area. The Ijaw are one of the most powerful tribe in Nigeria. The former president Goodluck Ebele Jonathan is an Ijaw man. The Ikwerre, also known as the Iwuroha, mostly found in River State, Nigeria. The Ikwerre are found in 4 local government areas in River State, mostly in Port Harcourt, Obiakpo, Ikwerre, and Omohu. The Ikwerre people are richly blessed with oil and are also known for their rich and diverse culture, which is heavily influenced by their traditional beliefs and practices. The Ikwerre are one of the richest tribes in Nigeria and also having rich and influential people in the society, such as Herbert Wigwe, the late founder of Access Bank, Nyesom Wike, the former governor of River State and also the current minister of the FCT, Omale, the Nigerian musician, Tonto Dike, the Nigerian Nollywood actress, Donka Mighty, Messi Chinwo, Rotimi Amechi, Mona Lisa Chinda, and many more. Edo Benin is located at the southern part of Nigeria, also known as the Bini tribe. Is the 5th richest tribe in Nigeria, both in terms of resources, manpower, economy, possession of rich individuals, and many more. Majority of the richest men in Edo State has featured in Forbes, known for living a luxurious and flamboyant lifestyle. Some of these billionaires are Chief Gabriel Igbinidion, founder of Igbinidion University, Pastor Chris Oyakilome, one of the richest pastors in Africa, Raymond Odokpesi, the founder of African Television Network AIT, Michelle Elegbe, founder and managing director of InterSwitch. The fourth richest tribe in Nigeria is the Fulanis. The Fulanis are one of the most powerful and the richest tribe in Nigeria, producing two of the last three presidents of Nigeria, Umaru Musa Yar'Adua and Muhammadu Buhari. The Fulani are the fourth richest tribe in Nigeria, boasting of powerful and wealthy politicians and also successful businessmen such as Rabiu Samad, founder of Bua Cement and also Bua Group of Companies. He is the fifth richest man in Africa. Atiku Abubakar, former vice president of Nigeria. This is the largest tribe in Nigeria with a population of 67 million people. They make up 25% of the Nigerian population. The Hausas is the most populous tribe in Nigeria, well known for their agricultural strides and political success over the years in Nigeria. They are located in the northern part of Nigeria. The Hausas are the most powerful tribe in Nigeria, holding major offices in government and boasting of the richest black man in Nigeria, Aliko Dangote and Sayu Dantata. The two of them are worth over $15 billion. This is the second largest tribe in Nigeria. They make up 21% of the Nigerian population. The Yorubas are the second richest tribe in Nigeria and also one of the most powerful tribes in Nigeria. The Yorubas occupy 21% of the Nigerian population, making them one of the largest ethnic groups in Africa. They are the most famous tribe in Nigeria, boasting one of the biggest names in the Nigerian music industry in the person of Davido and Wizkid. The Yorubas have high-level politicians from Bola Ahmed Tinubu, the current president of Nigeria, the former president Olusegun Obasanjo, and also successful businessmen and billionaires from the likes of Mike Adenuga, Femi Otedola, Fọlọ́runṣọ́ Alakija, and many more. The number one richest tribe in Nigeria is the Igbos. They make up 18% of the Nigerian population. The Igbos are the richest tribe not just in Nigeria but also in Africa at large. They have had the highest number of millionaires in Africa. The Igbos are found in the southeastern part of Nigeria. They are known for their resilience, business-oriented mindset, and creativity. After the Nigerian Biafra Civil War, which thousands of Igbos were massacred and their lands turned into wasteland, they have grown immensely to become the richest tribe in Nigeria. It is believed that an average Igbo man is doing well financially. The Igbos have successful billionaires and businessmen who have been making waves in the Nigerian business industry, from the likes of Pascal Dozie, the founder of Diamond Bank, Ato Ezonukpo, the founder of Atlas Oranto, one of the biggest oil exploration companies in Africa, Tony Ezenna, the founder of Orange Drugs, Emeka Ofor, the owner of EEDC, Joseph Okafor, the founder of Jesco Oil, Cletus Ibeto, the founder of Ibeto Group of Companies, Ifeanyi Ubah, the founder of Capital Oil, Innocent Chukwuma, the CEO of Innocent Motors, Cosmos Madoka, the founder of Cocharis Group of Companies, and many more. Igbos are well-known travelers, scattered all over the world, doing well and dominating financially and economically. Have the new generation billionaires from the likes of Obi Kubana, Emoney, Joey Zaza, man like Chico, and many more. Okay guys, drop a comment below, tell what you think about it, like and share, and don't forget to subscribe to the channel.
Been a cheap priest.